Hi Best Buds, it's Cathy with Cathy's Garden, and I'm so happy that you joined me today. Today is hashtag tagmetuesday, but first let's have our shout out to Vicky, Sally, Nancy, Karen Beth, Susan, Toya, Glinda, Vika, Connie, Dee, Keller, Colleen, Monica's English Teaching Nook, Dee Ann's Designs, and Grandma. I appreciate each and every one of you. All right, you guys. So today we're going to have a Scrappy cluster. We're going to use our scraps. I'm still stuck on using my pieces of our background pages that we made. So I have some of those cut into little pieces. Okay, so I have those. I have some little words, and I have letters, and I've spelled out journal right here. I have some little rectangles right here, and I have some book pages. I have some pictures of, it's a garden magazine, these are climbing roses. I have a book page right here out of a children's book. All right, so let's go ahead and let's start. Let's take this and we're going to spell out journal. So while I'm spelling out journal, I'm going to tell you what hashtag Tag Me Tuesday is all about. I have a Facebook group and I invite you all to join. The thing is that I'm still having people asking to join and they're not accepting the rules of the group. You guys, the rules are really simple. Be nice to everyone, and there's no selling. That's all the rules are. That's it. Be nice to everyone, and there's no selling. The bottom line is that if you don't accept the rules, I won't be able to accept you into the group. And it really breaks my heart when I have to, they call it deny, so it's like, really, yikes. Please, just if you want to, go to the trouble to push the link to say you want to join, just accept the rules, unless of course you don't want to be nice to us or you want to sell something, I guess, but then don't ask to join, right? All right, you guys, so it just, I don't know, it just hurts my feelings when I have to say no, but I have explained why. Okay, we have spelled out journal on our little rectangles here. Now I am going to go ahead and I'm going to rip myself a little bit of this page here. Let's see, how much do I want? About like that will be fine. And then I want to go ahead and I want to rip a little bit of this beautiful rose, climbing rose bush. Oh goodness gracious, it's not ripping very well. There we go. All right. Goodness gracious. Okay. That might be a little more than I need. I went this way, actually. I'm working on some pinks and some blues right here. All right. So now I'm going to just ink this just very quickly here. So this is, once again, a scrap buster. I love scrap busters, because, oh my goodness, I end up with way too many scraps. And when I put a journal together, I really love clusters. So I don't think you can have too many clusters. Not at all. Let's start with the blue one first. So let's start with our little book page first. Let's put our little sheet that we made our background pages next. And I am going to just glue just a little bit here, not a lot, and I'm not even going to show a lot of it, just a little bit. And oh, that's the wrong color. I want the blue one. Oh, there's pink on that side and blue on this side. Okay, let's do this. There we go. These are so very simple, but I'm always wanting some clusters for my pages when I start putting a journal together. All right, so Do like this. Okay, so those are our two. That went together quickly, didn't it? Now, I'm going to bring in a couple of bows. There's a blue one and a pink one. And I have two rivets. There's a blue one and a red one. I have my hole punch right here. And I'm just going to punch my hole right here. Hopefully it will punch because it's wet. Hopefully. There we go. And I'm going to place my red one in. And I'm going to get my little rivet setter. And I'm going to squeeze it shut. Just like that. Oh my goodness, isn't that cute? So cute. All right, and then let's go ahead and put this one in. So what is hashtag Tag Me Tuesday? It's where we can see everybody's design. So I invite you to make your own version of these Scrappy clusters and show us what yours look like over in the Facebook group so everybody can see, because even though you're making the same thing, they all turn out different, each and every one of them, because we all have our own little personality. And we all love to see everyone's style. And when we look at other people's style, it really does give us inspiration for our own creations. So I'm grabbing a pen here. I put down some glue and I'm picking up my, whoops, well I was hoping to pick up my, for heaven's sakes, pick it up, Cathy. There we go. These are my bling. Well, that's bright. I didn't realize that that was so bright. But that's okay. Isn't that pretty? I really like those. Now let's see, let's get these on here. There's the blue ones. And I have a few that I have finished. Okay, and there's this one. Now I have this one here. We made this paper when we were making flowers, so that was a scrap from that. And then here's just the blackberry paper, the fresh blackberry juice. That's a scrap from that. And then this is another picture from that rose book, and it's another flower. It's a pink one. Oh, you guys, I absolutely love making these scrappy clusters. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you have, please give me a thumbs up. I invite you to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. I'll see you there, guys. Bye now.